100 some degrees in Missouri. We're gonna cook an egg because I haven't had breakfast yet. This is gonna be good. Alright, we'll come back later and I'll eat that shit out of that son of a bitch. Okay, it's starting to get done here. Let's see if I can flip this thing over. Yeah. It's been about 45 minutes. There we go. Looks like she's getting about done. I screwed the pooch and popped the yolk so it's not going to be bloody. Put some cheese on it, then I'm going to go in the house, put some bread in the oven for some toast, and by the time that's done, the cheese should be melted, we should be good to go. I chopped it, some cracks in it. No. Looks like the cheese is melted. I screwed the pooch there a little bit and burnt the bun on the burner of the oven. But cheese is melted. Cheap way to make breakfast. Wanna bite?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah. So Vane will wash this away. We're good to go. No dishes.